How to change the format of video clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the media pool where your clips are located. Right-click on the clip you want to change and select Clip Attributes from the menu. Next, in the Clip Attributes window, you will see options to adjust the clip's format, including frame rate and pixel aspect ratio. You can change these settings to match the format you want for your final output or editing requirements. After adjusting the clip attributes, move to the Deliver page to export your video. Here you will find export settings where you can choose the output formats such as MP4, MOV, or others depending on your needs. Make sure to select the right codec, resolution, and quality settings under the export option to ensure your video is saved in the desired format. This step is important because even if you change the clip's attributes, the exported file format controls how your video will be saved and played on other devices. Finally, give your export a file name, choose the save location, and hit Add to Render Queue. Click Render All to process your video with the new format settings. And that's it. Now you know how to change the format of video clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.